Hey there, welcome back to another coding conundrum. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when working with Bootstrap Toasts. So here's the problem. I've been using Bootstrap Toasts to display alert messages, but I just can't seem to get them to hide automatically. I've tried everything from setting databs autohide attribute to tinkering with it in the code behind, but no luck. The culprit might just be the ASP update panel throwing things off balance. But fear not, for every problem has a solution, and in our case, it involves a little bit of Bootstrap magic. We need to initialize the toast components and show them from the code behind using Script Manager. By giving our toast a unique ID and calling the Bootstrap methods, we can ensure that it not only shows up, but also hides gracefully after 3 seconds. And that's the solution right there. By adding a few lines of code and using Script Manager to kickstart our toast, we can finally sit back and watch our alerts disappear into the digital void after delivering their message. Now, if you've enjoyed this troubleshooting journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and maybe drop a comment with your favorite coding hiccup. Remember, coding can be a roller coaster, but with a little bit of Bootstrap magic, we can ride the waves together. Until next time, happy coding!